Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2016 Scion TC10 Series Coupe. This head-turning Scion boasts premium wheels, aero kit, TRD Dual exhaust and lowering springs, and the Release Series 10.0 and floor and cargo mats. This appealing coupe offers spirited performance, a surprisingly spacious cabin, and an abundance of additional features. If you have been searching for a sporty, fun-to-drive coupe with all of the street appeal to get you noticed, then congratulations, you just found your next vehicle right here at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is a multiple award-winning dealership that also holds an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We specialize in selling the highest quality pre-owned automobiles in Arizona while standing behind everything we sell. Under the hood of this front-wheel drive is a 2.5-litre inline-4 engine, generating 179 horsepower and 172 pound-feet of torque, paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. EPA estimated fuel economy is 23 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. In track testing, it sprinted from 0 to 60 miles an hour in 7.3 seconds. At Luxury Motorsports, all vehicles go through a rigorous service inspection in our state-of-the-art service facility before being sold. The cabin is attractively designed, with the silver interior accents adding a pleasing touch. Featuring Bluetooth, 8-speaker Pioneer sound system, 7-inch touchscreen display, and a panoramic sunroof. Please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us to see the full list of specifications for this model. We encourage you to come and put this agile Scion through its paces today and discover for yourself its nimble handling, eager acceleration, and smooth transmission. With its well-weighted and precise steering and fun driving dynamics, this is one that is guaranteed to put a grin on your face. Luxury Motorsports is open 6 days a week and by appointment only on Sundays. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.